Come on, buddy. Bring it on. I'm recording. Oh, yeah, we got that. Oh, because it lit up the screen. Stop raining for some reason. Come on, show me what you're made of. So dark, I can't see a thing. I got a bit of it. I'm just being a rogue. Or not. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna turn the light on. No need to turn that on. No need to turn the light on because I got plenty of light out here. It's raining. I can see the road! Yay! Zoom in. Jeez. This is a crazy storm, even though you guys can't really see it. You guys can't really see it that great. But it's coming down hard. See, look at that rain. If you can see that rain, then you know what I'm talking about. And you know I'm not crazy. Oh, I saw that! Holy crap, Mom, I filmed a lightning strike! No, I filmed a freaking lightning strike! Caught that right on tape! Holy shit! Mom, I actually caught that one on the camera!
That's awesome.
As soon as I turned, flash! A lightning bolt out of the cloud. Oh wow! As soon as I came to look. And here comes the rain! Yeah! Daylight! This is incredible. Look at this storm. Ooh. Yeah! Come on, buddy. Whoa! Brightness. Whoa! Ooh, I got that. Oh, I can get anything that bright. I actually got my first ding right behind that light post. Just point it up. Hand on the button. Ooh, yeah, flashy. This is a perfect light show, and I filmed my first lightning strike. And you see that little stream of water coming down off the pipe? You can see it? Not really, but can't even see it through this camera. This is insane! You see me? I bet you did. Hi. This storm is intense, as you can tell. This is craziness. See the little glisten in the car? Ooh, it's raining harder. Holy crap! Oh, keep away from me. You can see so up close. Okay. Come on, bring on the pain, butter. Blah blah. Come on. Stay out here and film this whole thing until it's done. Whoa, goddamn. Oh, we got a flicker there, didn't we? Ooh, fuck it. Yeah, you're inside playing good games. Hey, Buffy! George! George, how you doing? I am standing out on my front porch, watching this storm in its full glory. This is awesome. Whoa! That was a flash. Ooh. I'm gonna keep this camera pointed up, waiting for more flashes to occur. Ooh, this is well, that was a weird thunderclap. Okay. Hello, little mopping ape. Whoa, boy! No, the light went out! Derp! Derp! That light across the street flickered out again! Damn! For the third time in a row! Ooh, yeah. Whoa, I hope you're seeing this. Holy shit. Ooh. Ooh. Get the lights at a distance. The road is just getting pelleted by rain, hail. Thunder, clap, thunder. You see that car just getting pummeled. Ooh, here comes some more rain. Hold on. Come on, light, turn on. Please turn back on. I can't see. Shit. Oh, yeah, it's coming. Here it comes. Here it's over there now. The storm is still coming in. This video is for all of YouTube. If you can see what I see, viewers, then you are liking my channel. If you like this vid, subscribe. Or like. Maybe comment. Comment and let me know if you've seen something like this before. Or let me know if you've seen worse. Maybe make a video response of what you've seen. Or send me a video link. A video that you've made of a certain storm that's deadly like this. Or worse. Anything you can come up with that's related to this kind of weather. Ooh, jeez. This is crazy. This was my idea in the first place. So, Sonya Flame, if you like this vid, please comment and let me know on Facebook. Same with Katie Prowler and David Aron, not to mention Alana, which I'll be emailing this video to. And I might even put it, like, send it to Zach Scott James, or Zach Scott himself. Anybody who's my friend, I will subscribe, or I will send this video to. Hopefully they like it, comment, I subscribe, and anything. Everything. I think you're getting wet. And, thanks. This is Blair Prowler 346 signing off. For now. But I'll be back for more of this weather. I'm going to continue filming until it reaches 40 minutes and less. Okay, 50 minutes so far, so far so good. Hope this cloud isn't clearing away. Whoa. Yeah, it's still coming down. Jeez, the whole place is getting pelleted by rain. It's crazy. You can't hear it, but you can certainly see it from here. The light just came back on, so. Come on. Oh, here comes the train. This is crazy. Clouds are still moving. If you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe to Blair Prowler 346, and I will reply. Or just make a video response. Please do. And you're welcome to, if you want, you can also send me a friend's request to Dante Flare. DanteFlare. Okay. Hope you got that. You got it. And then, if I accept your friend's request, just please do right on my wall, letting me know that you saw my video. Okay? Thanks. This is crazy. Hello, car. Hello, flashy light. Hello. It's still outside my. Yeah, that light is still on. So, oh, that's a wee reflection from the camera. Yeah. Whoa! Still is more epic from over there. There's more cloud coming this way. Holy! That was a flash. Come on, rain. Bring it on. Let's get a little glimpse of that up there cloud. Can't see it much, but you can't really see it that great, but I assure you, it's up there. Probably see my hand, because you can see my hand go that way. Yeah, there's some lights. There's a car that's being pelted by rain. Still raining pretty hard out here. Oh, damn! I got that, didn't I? I did get one big flash from over there. Can't wait to see the next one I get. Cloud is and there's more heading our way. Okay. Well, hope you liked the video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And this will continue on until I am finished. Oh, I got that. Yay! Cool. Major flashes. That's number 2 in a row. Number 2 lightning strikes. I didn't miss one. Oh, and that cloud looks mighty scary. See? Look at that thing. You see it? Good. It was dark, but you can see it. It's fine. I can't. Especially through a camera view. Lights on. That's my room over there. Ooh, okay. But I hope you like the Sonia Flame and Katie Crowler and Sonia's brother. Please. I would like to do some more RP, and this video just gave me an idea. I'm going to put a heavy-duty Thunderstorm in it. And by this voice, this is the voice I'm using as Flare Prower. Tails' brother. Okay. It's exciting. Getting dimmer. Oh, actually, maybe not. Still coming. Sheesh. That's 2 down. There's another one coming in. Yeah. It's a massive storm cell. Yeah, I know. I did. This is also a message to show what's going on in Camrose, Alberta. This is Camrose, Alberta, Canada. And maybe one day, Sonia Flame, I will invite you to come down to see me. I'll give you my phone number also. I'll pop it up on the annotations below. Maybe I might even add it to the link. If you like this video, please call that number. Or you can just call 780-608-4854 and to contact me. There. You get that? And the address is, where is it? 5304 53rd Street. So you'll get that. If you've ever been to Camrose before, you live in Washington State, right? And you're 22. Yeah, I already know how old you are. December 10th, 1910. Well, you're 21 still, but you're turning 22 this year, so hope you like. I will gladly greet you with open arms into the house. I will welcome you handsomely. And we can do some live action roleplay as the characters we are roleplaying Facebook style on. We can choose the voice we use for the characters, and I got that flash. That was cool. And this is Flare Prower 346 signing off. Can't wait to see you. Goodbye.